Here it is on a Sunday morning, and I'm about to put a 14-pound Prime Angus brisket on with my Gator Pit Rubs. This is a pellet smoker, 20-inch by 36, and I had it set it at 270, which the PID is reading 271. I don't know if you can see that because sometimes the LEDs don't show up. My door gauge is reading right around that 270 as well. It's been fired up now for maybe about 30 minutes, I think, as long as it took me to prep that brisket. That's how long this has been fired up. So, Angus brisket going on. Pellet hopper set at 270. Door gauge is reading 270. I'm gonna open this thing up. You notice no leaky smoke. Typical Gator Pit, right? Stacks open all the way. Let's open it up. And I'm gonna move that grate to the back, and I'm gonna lay my brisket right dead center on this thing. You heard when I open that door, that heat release, and you heard that fan kick on. That's what it's supposed to do. It's gonna maintain that 270 degrees. I am gonna kick it down. I'm gonna leave it on 270 for probably the first hour or 2 hours, and then I'll put it at 250 and let it run the rest of the day until that rascal over there is right where I want it temperature-wise, which could be around 202, 204, somewhere around there. We'll see how it sticks with the meat thermometer when I stick it more than it is a temp to get my tenderness that I want, and then we'll take it off. I'm gonna fill this thing up. I will fill it up and just let it run all day. Shouldn't have to fill it up any more than that. It should run all day off that hopper, without a doubt. And I'll see you guys later. Bye. Rich Robin here, Sunday morning. I'm gonna throw this Prime Angus brisket on. It was 14 pounds, a little over 14. I trimmed about 2 pounds of fat off of it. Putting it on my pellet grill. This is the 20 by 36. Got my PID set at 270 degrees. Hopper full. Let it run all day until that thing gets the tenderness that I want. 202, 204. I've had them go as high as 207 sometimes. Just depends on when it breaks down and when I get that nice tenderness when I stick it with my meat thermometer when it is a cooking temp. But it won't get to where I need till probably 202, so I won't worry about it for hours from now. See ya.